I swear the way you move your body got me feeling nice. Yo, it's all in my face and then I start to fantasize. I start to pre-assess and get to know the things you like. But love is more valuable than just what a ring could buy. I fantasize about real love. And I know the streets cold, I can't make shit up. Baby girl, you stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy all the time. In my dreams, it goes like fantasy all the time.
Pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer.
Okay, so the house is clean. I wanted to transfer the stuff from the washer into the dryer, but then I think I mistakenly clicked on heavy duty, so it's going to take maybe like 45 minutes to be done. But I just changed. It's time to take off our makeup. I use oil. I use baby oil and a tissue. I'm going to show you. Give me 1 second. I use this and I use oil, and then I just take like 2 pieces.
Move your waist, baby, baby girl. Move your waist, baby, baby girl. Can't contain, baby, baby girl. Wanna make you my baby, baby girl. Move your waist, baby, baby girl. Move your waist, baby, baby girl. Can't contain, baby, baby girl. Wanna make you my baby, baby girl. I swear the way you move your body got me feeling nice. Yo, it's all in my face and then I start to fantasize. I start to pre-assess and get to know the things you like. But love is more valuable than just what a ring could buy. I fantasize about real love. And I know the streets cold, I can't make shit up.
Outside now, and it's 8 p.m. House is clean. Your girl is clean. There's one thing left. I need food, so I'm just trying to cross this road. Now we can cross. I came to this convenience store close to my house. It's open 24 hours. Yes.
Wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving to creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, slide, slide. I don't care if we on a run. Nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black. Seats creme brulee, what they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
I need a vacation. I need my bitch in an apron. Booty all out cooking bacon. Orange juice and ice we drinking. I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they after the boy like Fallout. 400. Drop it, give me 50, girl. Drop it, give me 50. You should slide with me cause you be tripping when you miss it. You gon' hold me close and on your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what get you stick. I ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe. Skip the foreplay, you don't let niggas fuck with your mind. I ain't giving out apology when I'm behind. Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
Moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all black. Seats creme brulee, what they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
So, this was my first time trying broccoli tempura, and honestly, I think I did a pretty good job. So, I started off with a light egg wash, nothing too heavy, just something enough to coat the broccoli, and then a little flour, some garlic, because you all know that I love garlic, and of course, black pepper and salt. I mixed everything up until the broccoli soaked everything in. And then I put it straight into the air fryer. Super simple, super crispy, and it actually turned out way better than I expected. I love meat shrimp tempura, so I decided to try broccoli tempura because we're trying to eat healthy.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it be you?